Hey, what's up guys? John the Tech here from Links World Automotive with another 2-minute how-to. And I'm going to address the situation. We get a lot of phone calls saying that people's clocks will not stay, that the time keeps resetting every time they start the truck. And that is because what's happening is the Android side of the radio is reverting to the time zone that it was set at. So if it doesn't have Wi-Fi for it to gather the data, what it does is it reverts to whatever it's setting, and it's usually set to the point of origin, which is over in Asia. So what I want to do is real quick run you through how you can go here and make sure that your clock will no longer reset. So we'll go ahead and get your car booted up, go to the home page, go to settings. In settings, we're going to go to system, and then we're going to go to Android settings so that we can get on to inside the Android settings. Scroll to the bottom to where it says system, and then you're going to find date and time. And then once you're in date and time, my preference is to just turn off the automatics. That way it doesn't start fighting. And then don't set the time, but what you're going to do is you're going to select time zone. So go through there, you'll find your time zone. See if we can find us here. Pacific Daylight Savings. I don't want to use the 24-hour format. And then you can see it is 9:47 here in the morning, and now my clock is correct. So if you were fighting and frustrated about the fact that you had to reset your clock every time you got in your car, that should get you fixed up, because it's going to set all the way back to the base programming, so that if it doesn't catch the data from the Wi-Fi, it knows that it needs to revert to a different time zone, and then you'll be good to go. Hope that helped, guys. Enjoy that T-Style.